So you've been bulking up, building those muscles, feeling like a Hulk at the gym. Now it's time for cutting and losing weight right away. But it's not as simple as reducing your diet and expecting your body to show cuts overnight. You need to be strategic about it. And today's video will help you understand when and how to start cutting. Let's start with when. Usually, you have to start about 16 to 26 weeks after you've started bulking. Because building muscle takes time, my friend. See, during those first 16 weeks of bulking, you're eating more calories than your body needs to maintain its weight. This helps your muscles grow, which is awesome. But I know some of you might be tempted to start cutting earlier, especially if you're seeing progress. But hold up. Starting too early could actually make you lose muscle instead of fat, and we definitely don't want that. So, by waiting a good 16 weeks, you give your muscles time to grow nice and strong. It's like letting a cake cool before you frost it. You gotta be patient. Now, the question is, how do you know that your body is ready for cutting? No, don't say when you look overweight, because overweight means only fat in your body. And if so, then you should do body recomposition. I'll include the link in the description for that. Back to topic. First step is you have to use some basic maths here. Calculate your BMI by dividing your weight in kilograms by your height in meters. Then put that number in this equation. 1.20 by BMI plus 0.23 by age minus 16.2. Then whatever number you get, that is your body fat percentage. Always consider cutting if your body fat percentage is above 22% for men or 28% for women. Now, this isn't set in stone. You can definitely start cutting at lower body fat percentages. Just keep in mind that the less body fat you have, the higher the risk of losing lean muscle mass. And trust me, we don't want to sacrifice those hard-earned gains. On the flip side, having a super low body fat percentage, like below 10% for males or 12% for females, can be tough to maintain in a healthy way. Sure, you might look shredded, but it's very hard to sustain in the long run. Remember the pro tip? Always try to avoid cutting around major holidays or when you have a vacation planned, because it may be difficult to maintain a nutrition and fitness regimen. However, don't forget that even on vacation, you can still like or subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started with what's the process of it or how you can do it, starting with a simple equation. Calories in versus calories out. This concept is the core of many successful weight loss journeys. Calories refer to the energy consumed through food and beverages. Each time we eat or drink contains a certain number of calories, which our body uses for fuel. On the other side of the equation, calories represent the energy expended by our bodies through daily activities, exercise, and bodily functions like breathing and digestion. To lose weight effectively, it's essential to create a calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than your body expends. This deficit forces your body to tap into its stores of energy reserves that are fat to make up for the shortfall, resulting in weight loss over time. For that, you have to figure out how many calories your body needs each day. You can use an online calculator for this. There are many. Once you've got that number, subtract 500 calories from it. The number you get after that is your ideal number of calories per day. But every person's body response is different, so I'd suggest eat those estimated calories for 2 to 4 weeks and see how your body responds. If you gain or lose significant weight, then adjust your estimated calories. For example, if you gain 1 pound, that means you have gained around 3,500 calories more in those 2 to 4 weeks. But if everything is right, then it'll help you safely lose about 1 pound per week without feeling super hungry. Step number 2, intake of carbs. Carbs are not bad, guys, but we need to be smart about them. Aim to make carbs about 40% of your daily calories. Before you hit the gym, eat foods like brown rice, whole grain bread, and veggies. These foods give you energy that lasts, so you can crush your workout without feeling tired. After getting home or post-workout, again consume carbs like a bagel or baked potato to replenish your energy for routine work. Remember, second pro tip, Try to avoid eating carbs late at night or before bed. Otherwise, your body tends to store those carbs as fat when you're not active. So save the carbs for earlier in the day when your body can use them. This tip will shape your waistline so that your girlfriend, you know what I mean. Step number 3, protein intake. The most hyped up topic among gym bros. Actually, consider it the soul of achieving that dream body physique. It helps maintain muscle growth while you're losing weight and keeps you feeling full after meals. Ideally, you should eat 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. For example, a person who weighs 75 kilograms, you should consume 60 grams of protein per day. But if you want to lower the risk of losing muscle even further, then you should eat 1 gram of protein per kilogram of your body weight. Step number 4, fat intake. Yep, I said it, fat. Even though you might believe that completely eliminating it is the best option, it's actually really important for you to maintain your energy and keep your hormones balanced. So what do you have to do? Aim to make about 20% of your daily calories come from fat. Hey, don't skip the avocado or olive oil. Your body needs them. Step number 5. Plan regular refeed days to give yourself a little break from your diet. Refeeding means eating your normal amount of calories or a bit more to prevent muscle loss. But hold up, we're not talking about going crazy and eating everything in sight like you would on a cheat day. Nope, stick to healthier options like complex carbs, lean proteins, and low-fat foods. This way, you won't undo all the hard work you've put in. You can try doing 3 weeks of cutting calories and 1 week of refeeding. Step number 6, the workout session. The one you've been dying for. I get it. Instead of taking a break from your regular workouts after bulking up, keep at it. Speaking of strength training, stick with the same weights or reps you've been doing. Or, hey, challenge yourself with heavier weights and fewer reps to really build those muscles. Make sure to dedicate around an hour to strength training at least 3 to 5 times a week. This will help you maintain your muscle mass and boost your metabolism, making it easier to burn fat. Now, what exercises can you do? Focus on compound movements like push-ups, pull-ups, rows, lat pull-downs, and dumbbell chest presses. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, giving you more bang for your buck. And for your arms, throw in some standing bicep curls, overhead cable tricep extensions, and cable tricep pushdowns. Next is cardio. Cardio's role is to help you burn calories. The more you exercise, the more calories you'll burn. If you're trying to lose weight, you should aim for doing cardio at least 5 days per week for a total of at least 250 minutes each week. Or if you can do more, opt for high-intensity interval training or HIIT. HIIT. HIIT workouts are like girls' mood swings. They go hard, then take a breather and repeat. Just kidding. These routines involve alternating between intense exercises and slower recovery intervals. The awesome part is they activate practically every muscle in your body, jack up your heart rate, and get more done in less time. So when you do a HIIT workout, aim for 10 to 30 minute sessions, then slot them into your regular cardio routine. Activities can include running, biking, jump squats, speed lunges, skaters, or even dancing like nobody's watching. As you keep up your cardio routine, you'll start melting away any extra fat that tagged along during your bulking phase. And that's our wrap in cutting. Keep moving, keep grooving, and watch that fat disappear.